Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add video to Mailchimp campaign. So let's begin. Okay, so from here, you need to start creating your campaign. And for you to be able to add video in it, all you're gonna do is create and use a template of your choice and just click on get started. And after doing so, it's a little bit easy because from here you can choose to start from scratch, or you can use a creative assistant. And obviously there are multiple templates you can choose from. Say for example, we're going to be using this template right here. Click on apply and you can rename your template. Say for example, this one. And obviously from here, all you're gonna do is click on video option. Now, the interface might be different from what you have because it depends on the version. But what I have is something like this one, and click on video, right? Now, you can add a button. Now, you need to choose the position of the video that you are going to put into. Say, click on that, and all I'm gonna do is drag and drop anywhere on the layout. Now from here you can choose to download or basically upload the file, all right? Or simply, if you are not a fan of our channel yet, you might want to go to Andy's guide and subscribe to our channel. So basically you can click any part of the video, click on share, click on the URL, and from that you can paste it into the source. All right, that's the URL for the link, and obviously you can do that. And the thumbnail itself is basically also editable. It's up to you. All right, and from here, that's you can also choose a background, right? So it depends upon your preferences. And after doing so, basically you can also delete that if you wanted. You have the option down here, and once you've finalized and you like how it looks, basically all you're gonna do is click on save and exit. That's easy. All right, and again, after doing so, you can click on the save template. And if you wanted to delete or edit the template, all you're gonna do is click on the options down on the right part. All right. Say for example, if you want to click on edit, you can do so and add another video of your liking if you wanted. And it's the same process. You can change, you can upload an image for the thumbnails if you are not satisfied. You can also browse images on the template, and again, all you're gonna do is click on the URL and paste it on the source. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.